Good day, Philippines. Good afternoon to all. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Thursday to Saturday, June 8 to 10, 2023. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, the best school in the Bicol region, British Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel, the best hotel in Naga City. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest Guchol issued today, Thursday, until tomorrow, Friday. Well, we have Typhoon Guchol with local name Chedeng. This system, we are monitoring this system for the past few days, and you're wondering why we don't have any YouTube special coverage, but nothing to worry. We don't issue special coverages if this storm is not a threat to our country. And so far so good. The computer models are continuing to forecast it a complete recovery within the next 5 days, and it's still moving very slowly over the Philippine Sea, and it's now a typhoon with winds of 120 kph with higher gust up to 150, and it's moving west-northwest at 11 kph, and for the next 3 days it will start to move northward towards the North Philippine Sea. And complete recovery will be expected this weekend through Monday or Tuesday in the general direction of the sea south of Japan. So nothing to worry about. Even the enhancement of the southwest monsoon is currently weak as of this time. We have the weak Habagat, or the southwesterly wind flow, bringing some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Calayan Island Group, portions of Palawan, Western Visayas. But the sun will still shine in the morning, but in the afternoon or evening, just like any ordinary tropical weather, in the afternoon or evening we expect these rain showers and thunderstorms. And also in other parts of the country, Visayas, Luzon, Bicol, Metro Manila, we have a monsoon trough, not strong enough to create more thunderstorms compared to yesterday. Today is just a little thunderstorms in various sections of Luzon. And it's connected with another LPA here. So most of the southwesterly flow is moving towards this LPA 99W with lower chances of becoming a tropical cyclone. And it is expected to be absorbed into this departing frontal system, which extends all the way from southern China up to southern Japan and into the Kuril Islands. And so far, that's the situation right now across the Philippine Islands. We are experiencing some good weather, blue skies in the morning. In the afternoon, there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in selected areas of the country. And the heat index, because of lower humidity output in the atmosphere right now, it's just around 61 degrees here in Naga. The heat index just went down to 41 degrees compared to 45 to 47 in the past few days. And if we have higher humidity content, there will be thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So that's how the nature balances the heat and the rainfall during the morning and in the afternoon. So to battle this heat stress, okay, just drink lots of water. Okay, 8 glasses a day will do, and avoid carbonated drinks or juices. And we have also a surface trough here outside of PAR, formerly LPA90W, but it's starting to regenerate. We're going to show to you in the satellite animation a small blob here, but the good news, this system won't intensify and it will also dissipate in the next couple of days. And right now, the southwest monsoon is not strong enough since it's still early June. Usually July, August, peak months of the Habagat or the southwest monsoon. So we expect the monsoon weather to increase in the coming weeks. Now, the effects of the monsoon over western Philippines will be felt only this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, but mostly thunderstorms in the afternoon and light winds from the southwest. And if we take a look at the fast animation, so there you go, the typhoon starting to have an eye, but still struggling to organize as it moves towards the northwest. And you can see here the low pressure 90W, which is trying to regenerate to the south of Guam, and the southwest monsoon is still weak. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, UMETSAT. Then you can clearly see here the motion of the movement of the southwest monsoon, but still weak as of this time. And as the afternoon progresses, localized thunderstorms can be seen here blossoming as they continue into the afternoon. Okay, that's the rugged eye. And here's the track that we issued last night. Nothing changes. The next update will be in a few hours from now. Here's the track of all Asian agencies, including PAGASA, Joint Typhoon Warning Center, Japan Meteorological Agency. All of them are showing or are forecasting it to recurve in the next 4 to 5 days. So nothing to worry. Even the computer models, there's nothing new. The oceanic heat content is quite warm on the vicinity of the storm, of the typhoon, but in the next couple of days it will the typhoon will move into much cooler oceanic heat content, so expect the intensity of the storm will eventually reach its peak. Actually, the forecast is up to 160, and then later it will start to dissipate as it moves into much cooler oceanic heat content to the south of Japan. And here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days until the weekend through Monday. I'm going to show to you that the monsoon is not much, but we could expect rains along the western sections this weekend. So by tomorrow afternoon, Friday afternoon, I'm going to show it to you. Here we go. Thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of the country as the southwesterly wind flow will become the weak southwest monsoon. And on Saturday morning, the southwest monsoon will only be concentrated along the western sections of the country, from western sections of central Luzon, western sections of southern Luzon, MiMaRoPa, western Visayas, while the rest of the country will have good weather. But Saturday afternoon, we expect severe thunderstorms to prevail in various sections of the country. And Sunday morning, again, good weather will be expected over Mindanao, Visayas, northern Luzon. But the western sections of central and southern Luzon, MiMaRoPa, Palawan, will have the effects of the southwest monsoon. Just a gentle southwest monsoon, not much, but we expect more rainfall across the western sections that could generate some flooding in hazard-prone areas. As you can see, the increase of our population will pave way for more people living in hazard-prone areas. That's the reason why more are being affected by this kind of hazards, okay? And Sunday afternoon, thunderstorms will again return across Luzon, including Guchol, Visayas, parts of Mindanao because of the weak southwest monsoon. And Monday morning, good weather will again be expected all throughout the country except for Batanes and the West Philippine Sea. We have the southwest monsoon here and some portions of western Luzon. And Monday afternoon, again, thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of Luzon, from Cagayan Valley down to central Luzon, while the rest of the archipelago will remain fair with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Monday will be the day where Typhoon Chedeng is expected to exceed the Philippine area of responsibility. Rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. So this is the total rainfall accumulation. Most of the rainfall will be expected along the western coastal waters of Luzon, MiMaRoPa, and also Occidental Mindoro and Palawan will be affected by the Habagat, or the southwest monsoon. This is the rainfall of Typhoon Chedeng. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, issued every Wednesday or Tuesday. And this is for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So for week 2, that will be next week, valid June 14 to June 20. There will be still more than 20 to 50% probability or 40% probability of a tropical cyclone formation to the east of the Philippine Islands. But based on what we see on the European model, it's not going to push through except for the American model, since the Climate Prediction Center gets the updates from the American model. So it makes sense why they are increasing the probability of up to 40%. And Guchol region, Eastern Visayas, Eastern Mindanao will have 50% of above average rainfall because of the monsoon trough and the intertropical convergence zone. Now week 3, valid June 21 to June 27, which has a high uncertainty as of this time. Above average rainfall of 50 or more than 65% will be expected across the Western Pacific, particularly over Marianas and Micronesia. That's all the way across Central Pacific and into the Eastern Pacific region. So far, that's the latest for the Climate Prediction Center hazards outlook. And that ends our update for today, Thursday. So nothing to worry about. The storm is going up and away. And the Philippine Islands will be spared from any direct threat. Even the southwest monsoon is not much, just the usual thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, particularly this weekend. And also, the southwest monsoon is only concentrated along the western sections of the country, MiMaRoPa, Western Visayas, and western sections of Central Luzon, only for a few days. That will be this weekend. So we'll see you again this weekend. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.